If you're looking for business ideas for 2023, you've come to the right place. Creating your own business is a great way to become your own boss and achieve financial independence. And with the right business idea, you can start generating income from day one. But what are the best online businesses to start in 2023? To help you find the right business idea, we've compiled a video of 10 business ideas that we think are best positioned for success in 2023. So, if that's something that interests you, stay tuned and we'll show you everything you need to get started. Number 10. Sell pet products. If you're an animal lover, there's a good chance you've considered selling pet products online. After all, what could be more rewarding than helping others care for their furry friends? And with the right approach, you can make a decent income in the process. There are a few things to keep in mind if you want to be successful in this venture. First, it's important to choose a niche and stick to it. Don't try to sell everything under the sun. Focus on one area and build your business from there. Second, make sure your prices are competitive. There are a lot of pet product retailers out there, so you'll need to make sure your prices are attractive to customers. Finally, invest in some good quality products. Your customers will be able to tell if you're selling subpar merchandise, so it's important to make sure you're offering only the best. With a little hard work and dedication, selling pet products online can be a great way to make money and help animals at the same time. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Number 9. Craft supply business. If you're creative and love working with your hands, starting a craft supply business could be a great way to make money. By selling things like paints, brushes, fabric, and other crafting supplies, you can help people bring their own creative ideas to life. Not only will you be able to make a profit, but you'll also get the satisfaction of knowing that you are helping others to express themselves creatively. Of course, running any business requires some level of planning and organization. But if you're up for the challenge, a craft supply business could be a great way to make a living while doing something you love. Number 8. Subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are a great way to make money. You can start your own subscription box business, or you can work with an existing company to build a box that fits their niche. There are many different types of subscription boxes, so you can choose the one that best suits your skills and interests. To get started, all you need is a product or service that people will love. Once you have that, you can create a marketing plan and start building your subscriber base. With a little hard work and dedication, you can make your subscription box business a success. Number 7. Custom shoes business. Have you ever wished you could design your own shoes? Well, now there's a way to make your dream a reality. With a custom shoes business, you can create one-of-a-kind footwear that is specifically tailored to your customer's taste. Not only is this a great way to make money, but it's also a lot of fun. You'll get to be creative and use your imagination to design unique shoes that people will love. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you made someone's dream come true. So what are you waiting for? Start your custom shoes business today. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. It involves promoting products or services on behalf of another company and earning a commission on any sales that you make. Many people choose to do affiliate marketing because it offers a flexible way to earn an income. You can promote products that you are interested in or work as much or as little as you like. Plus, there are many different types of affiliate programs available, so you can find one that suits your needs. Number 5. Digitalize home videos. Converting your home videos to digital format is a great way to make sure they are preserved for future generations. It can also be a great way to make money. You can sell digital copies of your home movies on sites like eBay or Amazon. You can also create a DVD or Blu-ray of your home movies and sell it through a company that specializes in selling home video products. If you have a lot of home movies, you can even start your own business converting other people's home videos to digital format. There are many ways to make money from your home movies, so don't let them sit on a shelf gathering dust. Convert them to digital format and start making money today. Number 4. Music selling business. If you're trying to figure out how to make money, starting a music selling business may be the perfect solution. Not only can you make a profit by selling CDs and other music products, but you can also make money by providing services such as music lessons and Bandcamp downloads. In addition, you can use your music selling business to promote local bands and artists, which can generate even more income. Of course, starting any business requires some initial investment and effort, but if you're passionate about music, it can be a very rewarding experience. So if you're ready to make some money while doing something you love, consider starting a music selling business today. Number 3. Sell your art online. If you're an artist, there's never been a better time to sell your art online. There are a number of platforms that make it easy to reach a global audience and make money from your creativity. Whether you are selling paintings, sculptures, or digital art, there's a market for your work. And with a little bit of effort, you can reach a large number of potential buyers. Here are a few tips to get started. Pick the right platform. There are a number of different websites that allows you to sell art online. Do some research to find one that best suits your needs. Create great visuals. High-quality images are essential for selling your artwork online. Make sure that your photos are well lit and show off your work in the best possible light. Write compelling descriptions. In addition to great visuals, you'll also need to write compelling descriptions of your work. This is your chance to really sell potential buyers on why they should purchase your art. With a little bit of effort, you can start making money from your art today. Number 2. Build apps and websites. Do you have a great idea for an app or website? With the right skills, you can make that idea a reality and start generating income from it. Building apps and websites can be a highly lucrative endeavor, and there are a number of ways to make money from your creations. You can sell access to your app or website, charge from premium features, or run ads. If you have a knack for coding and design, building apps and websites can be a great way to make money. And with the right approach, you can turn your side hustle into a full-time business. And finally, number 1, do voiceover work. Making money as a voiceover artist is a great way to make some extra cash or even to make a full-time living. The best part is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a good quality microphone and an internet connection. There are many ways to find voiceover work. You can sign up with a voiceover agency or you can advertise your services online. You can also approach businesses directly and offer your services. The key to success as a voiceover artist is to have a strong, clear voice and the ability to deliver lines with feeling and expression. It's also important to be able to follow direction and take direction as well. If you have these qualities, you'll be well on your way to making money as a voiceover artist. These are just a few profitable business ideas to start your own business in 2023. One of these ideas may be perfect for you, and all you need to do is decide which business idea you like the best and develop the skills needed for success. With a bit of planning and hard work, you can succeed at any of these business ideas in 2023.